Alright, so here's this 2019 carrier running. Also, by the way, I was wrong about it being a 4-ton. It's actually a 3-ton. It looks, I don't know why I thought it was a 4-ton. It's actually a 3-ton. It looks, because now I see it and it looks like a 3-ton. But anyways, I haven't made a little video. I just want to get a quick vid of it running. There's a York running. This thing's running. So yeah, I'll probably get one more startup and run, and then I'll end off. Then I won't film it anymore. So yeah, startup in May, I guess. Sorry. So yeah, been a little while. I haven't made a video of it in a while now. So yeah, there it is. Alright, so thank you for watching, and over and out. Yep, 2019 3-ton.